goes, here we go. We are in the Indy Classic with the old 919 Fireblade that we've been working on for the last few months, or weeks shall we say, probably a month or so, which had some issues with prop shafts, electrics, rear brakes not working, and a few other things, gear lever not working correctly, interior panel trim was all no good. And do you know what? We're taking it out for its first test drive. It's an early 919 carb, so you know the engines are knocking on for not far short of 30 years old now, but it's still really refined actually, and very quiet, particularly smooth actually for a carburetor. Not quite as revvy as the newer fuel injection engines, and obviously not so much the horsepower. We're talking about 120, 130 horsepower here, you know, somewhere around 110 at the wheels maybe. But you know what? If you were cruising around on the A and B roads, this, perfect. The gear lever now, look, very sweet. Through the gears now, hardly any, very short throw. New steering wheel with new quick release boss on it. New dashboard with a digidash right in the centre there, and I can see all of that. All the switch gears nice and clean. Nice cage above her head. And, you know, it all works. You know, we'll take it around the roundabout a couple of times. Indy Classic actually turns in particularly well, that does. That's actually not bad. It's a slightly little thing, and if I hold it where it is, I'm just trying to feel the grip when I'm doing that, just see if it's understeering, and it's not. Not really. Not really at all. It's actually pretty easy to drive. Floor mounted pedals in this, not our new billet ones or nothing. It's our standard affair that used to be our laser cut pedal, and they're not quite got the same feel as the billet pedal box or the hydraulic clutches, but as a cable operation, it ain't bad at all. It ain't bad at all. Got plenty of room in the footwell in the Classic. You get a bit more room in the footwell in the Classic actually than in the R, because it's a different tunnel. So just to open it up a little bit, see as it goes. Yeah, wanders through the gears, nice and easy. Down a gear or two, you can get it up to your up and downs really easy actually on these. Yeah, a bit different really. Well, I've got to say, that goes pretty well for a little Fireblade. Little 919, it's good fun to drive, light on the steering, ride position's nice and good, feel safe for the cage. Thumbs up.